Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 114 of the Batmobile Tumbler. More to do in this issue, so we'll get straight to it. Looking through the magazine at first, as ever. The luxury appearance. Not sure what luxury that's going to be. Is his car? Has he got a nice new shiny outfit? I don't know. Something blew up, but it's probably not Batman. The Batwoman. For his relationship with Catwoman was probably the most serious, even leading to a marriage proposal. Bruce Wayne's Batman drew several love affairs over the course. Yeah, sure he has. Don't know. Is it a relationship with Batman or is it always a relationship with Bruce? Strange. So yes, this is what we've got: the left wheel rims and outer hub. We've got to fit that into there. Fit the post through there as well. That's all on that. And then no, we're not doing anything with that. That's fitting it to the inner hub. Yeah, leaving your inner wheel rule assembly to one side, retrieve the half axle. Yeah, so goes onto the black side of the other one, by the looks of it. Not this one. We'll figure it out when I get the parts out. So let's put this aside and come back when I've got the bits ready. Okay, so it looks like this is the outer one that we've already got. So this is the inner one. So before I can put that in there, I've got to figure out the way round it's going to be. So if this is on the outside, then this is going to be on the inside next to it. So I want it to be, yeah, that way round like that. So that bit's got to be on that side, because that's on the inside of that, because you can't see the bit between the two of them. So that's going to go in there like so. That lines up over there. We've got the 4 screws to line up onto that, but it does matter which way round the 4 screws line up, because the 5 bits have also got to line up. So let's turn it around 90 degrees, see if that works. That still doesn't work, so we'll turn it around one more. That there, and that's joined up. You can see through all 5 of those as well. So that's now that way round. I don't need any of that yet, all those. I do need some CM screws, which will be these ones. I'm going to need 4 of them. Well, there's 2 of them anyway. I'll get them in first. So this is holding it together, because you've got to do them all in sort of sequence anyway. Let's get one in to stop it escaping. Then I'll do the opposite one. Down there. And then I can get 2 more out. There we go. And they will go in there. And they all need tightening up anyway. So that is that. Now I can tighten up the last one that I'm putting in, and then go back and tighten up all the others as well. Come on. You know you want to. There you go. That one as well. So as I say, this is the inner wheel. So when that is there, then I need to get this inner thing attached, and that's got to go across 3 of the 5 attachments on there, and that's the AAM screws. 3 of those, not 4. One can go back in the packet, and that can go to spares. So 3 of these will hold that in place. So we're getting there. Obviously all of this is going to have to be done again to complete the other side. But then, once we've got the wheel on, we've just got to basically fit the canopy part on, and we'll be done. So the majority of this, I mean, this whole pack of 4, it's only a pack of 4 this time. I didn't mention that. This delivery only consisted of 4 issues, as opposed to the normal 6. I believe that the next one is also going to be 4 issues, and that will finish us off, rather than having a 6 and then a 2. So they've obviously broken the last couple of deliveries up to do that. That's not quite tight, so let's get that tighter on there. That's better. Get the others done up as well. So there we go. That is that on there. Then I need to do nothing at all. That's it for now. Next time we're going to be fitting that to the car. So this, as I say, is the inside. Then that will obviously fit onto that. It looks like there's just 2 posts on that that are going to line up with that. Once I get that lined up how I want that to be. It looks like about there, actually. I think that's how it's going to be. So that feels like that sort of locks in place a little bit. So I'll leave that to one side like that. And next time we're going to be fitting this to the car itself. I'm looking forward to that. So we're going to be using all the extra stuff. So we haven't done anything with that yet, did we? Have I not? I haven't missed a page. No, I haven't missed a page. Just keep that for next time. So I shall keep those for next time when we're going to be fitting that to there. And then fitting obviously all of that, the bolts into that and the hubcaps onto that and everything else going together, because that's going to have to go into there. Anything on there to line up? No. That's going to go on there a bit like that, except lined up better. And we'll be good to go. So, see you soon for the next bit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye for now.